In this battle for Maharashtra and Aurangabad in particular, Imtiaz Jalil, what is the role of parties such as yours? Of course, you have been chosen as a member of parliament from here, you were also an MLA. But in this election, when there are multiple political parties, splintered groups, what is the role of party of yours?
See, this election is going to throw a fractured mandate. As of now, it doesn't look like anybody is going to get absolute majority. So it's smaller parties like us. Independents are going to play a very crucial role, and definitely we are in a position now we can say that we will be one of the kingmakers in the formation of the government this time.
You're calling yourself a potential kingmaker, but many would say that parties of yours are likely to damage the Mahavikas Aghadi more.
See, basically we are contesting just 16 seats out of 288 seats in Maharashtra. So this time nobody can point fingers at us that we are contesting more number of seats to benefit of one particular party or the other political party. Basically, the 16 seats that we have selected are very strong, formidable strength that we have in those constituencies, and which is why we are contesting only 16 seats. So even if you leave those 16 seats, it doesn't going to matter much as far as the formation of the government is concerned, because we are talking about 288 seats. We are not even contesting 5% of the seats.
Okay, but Mr. Jalil, the larger question is that when you look at the battle which is playing out in Marathwada, for example, where we are right now, and it's throwing up surprises every day. The issues are changing every day. So what really is happening there?
See, as far as Marathwada is concerned, this is going to be a very crucial election. We have never seen a caste divide as serious as we are witnessing this time around. And the entire credit goes to the BJP, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar for playing this dirty game, because Maharashtra was always known as a state of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Phule, Shahu. And unfortunately, because of the vested interest of the political parties, look at the situation we are in. Marathas are fighting against OBCs are fighting against somebody else. So it's entirely now caste-based election that we are witnessing, and no development issue is being talked about.
So who's talking development then? Is it Mahavikas Aghadi which is talking development?
Nobody is talking about development issues. Nobody is talking about the large number of farmer suicides that are taking place. In 2023, 2,813 farmers committed suicide in Marathwada. In just the first 6 months, in Aurangabad division, 430 farmers have committed suicide. And here you are dancing all the way that, hey, we are giving 1,500 rupees to our Ladli sisters, and you are just trying to make hay out of it.